Hello everyone, want to welcome you to the 2011 Bowman Platinum box break. Got a couple of return customers from my Topps Chrome break of last week. I want to thank you for your return business and all the new bidders as well. Thank you everybody, I appreciate your business. Just want to tell everyone again, it is my desire to provide you the best possible box break experience. You know, I'm a huge baseball fan and collector myself. I've been a bidder and buyer of many breaks, and I've seen things I like and don't like, and you know, I'm trying to make this the best experience I can for you guys. I don't make a whole lot of money off these breaks, but I do it because it's fun, and as much as fun it is for you guys to get cool cards, it's fun for me to see what you get. So with no further delay, we'll get started, and make sure you stay tuned right after the break. I have a special announcement for the next break that I'm going to be putting on this week. So here we go with the recap of the teams, and this is April 11th, Wednesday. Gonna be putting the video on my YouTube channel, CrownTown59. You can find it there. I'm also gonna send everybody the link. And so here we go. J. Julius Jr. got the Rockies, Astros, Padres, Giants, and Blue Jays. Frankenguy 52, Reds, Royals, Marlins, Mariners. Nacho Ochoa, D-backs, Indians, Angels, and Mets. Caselando Faz, White Sox and Cubs. We got My Steros with the Red Sox and Rangers. Dum Dum Pop, Orioles and Dodgers. Rock Hard 913 with the Tigers and Rays. Road Dog CJ got the Braves and Cardinals. DRMC GUI got the Nationals. D-Boss 1050 with the Pirates. Josh 2171 with the Phillies. Sugar High with Oakland, the Oakland A's. We got Green 28932WN with the Yankees. Nevada Fan 31 with the Brewers. Bubba Smiles with the Twins, and Norm Larker rounds it off with the USA team. Alright, here it is, one Bowman Platinum box, sealed. And here we go. Let's get this started. Get this little sticker on the front. There we go. Alright. There are 20 packs, 5 cards each pack. Here we go. Box is empty. Alright. Good luck to everybody. Justin Upton, D-backs. Mark Trumbo, rookie card, Angels. Manny Banuelos. Looks like this might be a refractor. Let's take a look. It's not numbered. It looks like we got our first hit here. Here we go. Edwin Encarnacion, numbered 32 out of 199. This is going to Toronto Blue Jays. Looks like we got a piece of a bat there. Game used memorabilia. Signature on the top. It's a nice looking card. Congratulations to whoever got the Blue Jays. Looks like that's J. Julius Jr. Congrats on that. We got a Hank Conger, rookie. Tim Lincecum, Giants. Aroldis Chapman, Reds. Joey Votto, also with the Reds. Visel Garcia with the Tigers. Looks like we just got a blank filler. Ubaldo Jimenez, Rockies. Derek Jeter, Yankees. Got Jason Hayward with the Braves. David Ortiz with the Red Sox. Here. Kyle Russell with the Dodgers. Another filler card. Ryan Braun with the Brewers. Buster Posey with the Giants. Andre Ethier, Dodgers. Roy Oswalt, Phillies. Oh, got a redemption card here. This is going to Manny Machado. I'll have to look up real quick. We'll look at that at the end of the break. I'll find out which team he belongs to. This is an autographed prospect blue refractor of Manny Machado. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. Filler card. Chris Sale, rookie card with White Sox. Kendry Morales, Angels. Brent Morel, rookie card, White Sox. Matt Holliday with the Cardinals. We got Cito Culver with the Yankees. Filler. Carlos Gonzalez, Rockies. Matt Kemp, Dodgers. Michael Pineda, Mariners, rookie. Jason Worth, Washington Nationals. Matt Harvey, the New York Mets. Filler. We got Justin Morneau, the Twins, and Cliff Lee of the Phillies. Adam Jones of the Orioles. Felix Hernandez, Mariners. Got Trey McNutt, Chicago Cubs. Another filler card. Corey Lupke, Padres. Brad Emaus with the New York Mets, rookie. Just a checklist. Clayton Kershaw with the Dodgers. Justin Pedroia with the Red Sox. Travis Denarad. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. This guy has Blue Jays. And this looks like a green refractor. Let's take a look. It's not serial numbered. This is got a green variation there. Filler card. Kevin Youkilis with the Red Sox. Ike Davis with the New York Mets. Torrey Hunter with the Angels. Carlos Santana, looks like also green variation, not numbered, with the Indians. We got Jonathan Singleton with the Phillies. Filler. Chipper Jones with the Braves. And Ryan Zimmerman with the Nationals. Adrian Gonzalez, Red Sox. Clay Buchholz, Red Sox. We got Tim Beckham with the Tampa Bay Rays. Filler. Dan Herron with the Angels. Pedro Alvarez with the Pirates. And checklist. Jared Weaver, Angels. Cecil Sabathia, Yankees. Manny Machado, hey, this is going to answer our question right here. Orioles. Okay, Manny Machado, Orioles. So that means congratulations to Dum Dum Pop. You are also going to receive this redemption card for an autographed blue refractor of Manny Machado. Congratulations on that. We got Jeremy Hellickson with the Rays, rookie card, and Chase Utley of the Phillies. Alright, let's try to get through the rest of these. Jake McGee, rookie of the Rays. Evan Longoria, also the Tampa Bay Rays. Jimmy Paredes, Houston Astros. Filler. Cole Hamels of the Phillies. And we got Jason Worth of the Washington Nationals. Okay. Roy Halladay of the Phillies. Shin-Soo Choo of the Cleveland Indians. We got Yorman Rodriguez of the Cincinnati Reds. Looks like a variation. Jose Reyes of the Mets. Hanley Ramirez of Florida Marlins. Checklist. Vernon Wells of the Angels. Danny Descalso of the St. Louis Cardinals, rookie. We got Jose Iglesias of the Red Sox. Daniel Descalso, again, rookie of the Cardinals. And Matt Holliday also of the Cardinals. Jonathan Sanchez, Giants. Victor Martinez, Detroit Tigers. Tim Beckham, we got a gold refractor here, parallel. This is numbered 46 out of 50 for Tim Beckham of the Tampa Bay Rays. Filler. Carl Crawford of the Red Sox. And Robinson Cano of the Yankees. Andrew McCutchen of the Pirates. Albert Pujols, Cardinals. Josh Seed of the Phillies, variation. Filler. Alex Rodriguez, Yankees. Carlos Pena, Chicago Cubs. And checklist. Looks like we have 4 more packs to go. David Ortiz, Red Sox. Joe Mauer, Minnesota Twins. And here we go. Hit. Michael Choice of the Oakland Athletics. Autograph card. And congratulations to Sugar High, who got the Oakland A's. That is a nice looking autograph card right there. Michael Choice prospect. Congrats. Filler card. Josh Hamilton, Rangers. Hunter Pence, Houston Astros. 3 more packs. Jose Bautista, Blue Jays. Johan Santana, New York Mets. We got Oswaldo Arcia, Minnesota Twins. Filler card. Josh Johnson of the Marlins. And Mark Teixeira of the Yankees. 2 packs left. Josh Rodriguez of the Pirates. Looks like we got a green variation. Madison Bumgarner of the Giants. We got Sammy Solis of the Washington Nationals. Filler, Matt Latos of the Padres. And Austin Jackson of the Detroit Tigers. Alright, here we go. Last pack. Adam Dunn of the White Sox. Ubaldo Jimenez of the Rockies. It's a red variation. Doesn't look like it's numbered. We got Adron Chambers of the St. Louis Cardinals. Filler. Starlin Castro of the Cubs. And we're going to end it with Jeremy Jeffress, the Kansas City Royals rookie. So congratulations to everyone who received the hit. We'll do a recap here. We got Edwin Encarnacion, 32 out of 199 with a piece of game-used bat and autograph for the Blue Jays. Michael Choice,